Welcome back to the arena. New style, new approach. Hope you enjoy. Battle notes. Enemy close equals mag change. The idea behind this video is to teach how I play. Not the right way, just my way. Slow corner creep. Attacking an angle of a corner using stealth. Moving with a purpose. When exposing yourself to unknown threats, everything matters. Lights, shadows, sounds, how fast you get from corner to corner. Develop your Jedi vibes. That feeling you get when everything comes together. Now we're moving smooth, fast. Violence of action matters most now. Learn to fight one-handed. Keep your composure so you can continue your momentum. Here we go against the right side and try to cut them down again. Gauge my distance to the enemy and try to provide cover fire while allowing my teammates to stay in their spots. By the time I let my teammates know what's happening, it's too late. So you need to take charge. Now listen to your gut. My goal is to introduce you to the sport of airsoft and my style of gameplay. I want to be your ambassador into airsoft. We'll talk gear, gameplay, and hacks. Everything you need to know for airsoft. Introducing the Eagle's Eye. Insta360 1X camera. Captures everything. The idea is, as you grow, I grow, we grow. Airsoft bridges the gap between fantasy and reality. Come with me on this journey, and together we'll explore the world of airsoft. Battle will be had.